How to change your birthday on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your birthday on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and just go back first and then just click these three lines in top corner and then click on your profile, and here you will find edit, click on it, and then you will find your birthday, click on it, and then just change it and click save. And now just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.